Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. Well, basically, reactivation is instant. All you have to do is just log in. So what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser, or if you want to know more information, you can go to Facebook Help Center. So what I'm going to do here is I just want to log in to my Facebook account. So you can just basically go to any web browser, and it's also important that you haven't forgotten the password or the email that you have used for that specific Facebook account. So let me go to any web browser, and then here I'm going to search for Facebook. Okay, so Facebook, and then here what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my email address, the email address that I have used to that specific Facebook account, and I'm going to add the password here. Again, you have to make sure that these are all correct and you have remembered everything. So once you have added your email address and your password, just log in. Now, if you have set up a two-factor authentication here, and then if you're using other phone or other device, they will ask you to verify this account if it's you or not. So you can just simply tap no and don't allow this or don't give access to this, or you can say yes if you're the one who's using this one. So basically, it shows like this. So you have to open or get your other device. You need to allow this to open your Facebook account or not if you're not the one who's using this. So just allow. Now I'm grabbing my phone. I just have to say yes or click yes, it's me. Then wait for a couple of seconds and I should see this. So basically, this is how you reactivate your Facebook account. Just click continue and it will take you directly to your Facebook. So again, it's instant. Unless if you request a deletion or if your account is disabled or suspended by Facebook, you need to submit an appeal. So that's how easy it is to reactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.